Next question. Amal and Vimal working together can complete a task in 150 days, while Vimal and Sunil can complete it in 100 days. Amal starts working on a task and works for 75 days. Vimal takes over, works for 135 days. Finally, Sunil takes over and completes the remaining work in 45 days. So, here let us assume the total work is 300 units. So I can say that rate of A plus rate of V, Amal and Vimal, will be what? 2, and rate of V plus rate of S will be 3. Now we have one more information, this one. So if Amal is working for 75 days, we can say that 75 multiplied by rate of A plus Vimal takes over and works for 135 days. So 135 rate of V plus, and Sunil works for 45 days. So 45 multiplied by rate of S, the total work is completed, which is 300 units. So I guess all of you know that rate is equal to work done upon time. Okay, so here I have used rate is equal to work done upon time, which is 300 upon 152 and 300 upon 103. And here I have used work is equal to rate into time. So rate is what? RA, and time is what? 75. So Amal would have done his share of work, which is what? RA into 75, 75 RA. Okay, so now I can see there is a 15 common. So 5 times RA plus 9 times RV plus 3 times RS is equals to 300. So I have 5 RA plus 9 RV plus 3 RS is equals to 20. Okay, now I have three equations, equation 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So let's just do elimination. So what we are gonna do, we'll multiply this whole equation by 5 and eliminate RA. So 5 RA plus 5 RV is equal to 10. If you subtract this equation, this gets cancelled out, minus minus minus. So 4 RV plus 3 RS is equal to 10. Now I am going to use this new equation 4 and 2 to calculate the value of RV and RS. So 4 RV plus 3 RS is equal to 10. I will multiply this whole equation by 3. Okay, so 3 RV plus 3 RS is equals to 9. Subtract it, this gets cancelled out. So I get the value of RV as 1. If RV is 1, RS will be 2, because RV plus RS is 3, and if RV is 1, RA will also be 1. So now I have rate of all these three people who are working. So further what they have said is, if Amal has started the task alone and worked on all days, Vimal worked on every second day, and Sunil worked on every third day, then the number of days required to complete the task. So can I say that if Amal is working for all X days, okay, if Amal is working for all X days, so Vimal will be working half of those days because he is coming on every second day, and Sunil will be working on X by 3 days. So this is the time. So time multiplied by the rate. So the rate of Amal is 1 plus rate of Vimal is 1 plus The rate of Sunil is 2, so this is again 300. So just solve this. X plus x by 2 plus 2x by 3 is equal to 300. Let's take the LCM as 6. So 6x plus 3x plus 4x is equals to 300 into 6. This is 10. 13x is equals to 1800. The value of x will be 1800 divided by 13. If you solve this, you get the answer as, I guess, 138 point something, which is 139. This is your answer.